How to record video on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to record video on Instagram. So in order to record a reel on Instagram or to record a video on Instagram, first thing first, you must have updated your application. So if you have not updated your application, then head over to your Play Store and on the search box type in Instagram. After you type in Instagram, instead of open, if you see update, which indicates that the app needs to be updated, and if it is completely updated, then click the open button. And as soon as you click the open button, it's gonna direct you to the home page. So this is how it's gonna look like. Record a video. First thing first, go to your profile, and after that you can see the plus button in the top right. Tap on it, and after that you'll be able to find multiple options. And in order to add a reel or in order to take a video, go to the reel section. So here you can either add the present video that's on your gallery, or you can just simply go ahead and select it from your camera, or you can just go ahead and record a video right now. So in order to record a video currently, then tap the camera icon. After you've done that, you can see there's a circle icon located right in center. You can also add filters to it, and if you don't want to add filters, you can just go ahead and in order to start with the recording, tap the circle icon right in center. As you can see that the recording has taken place. Now if you think this is the particular video that you wish to upload it, then tap the next button. You can just go ahead and edit the video if you want to do it so. And that's basically how you can record video on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.